neighbor, how are you? And
How? Okay, how are you? How are you? I am happy because tomorrow I go to the picnic. I am because today is very good. See what I'm doing? It's every day actually. Okay, I know. No, Saturday, Sunday, no. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
okay, class. Two students are not sleep properly. And you gotta say the point. Give me my throw. What do you say? Okay, class. So, class.
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Video's over. At first, let's review. So, do you remember what was the 17? What about class? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, Peppa, Pig, Harry, Alex, can you tell me what is the count of a noun?
Stand up. Teacher, count of a noun is a noun you can count.
What do you say?
Count
Count
of
of
a
a
noun is a noun you can count. Non-count noun is a noun you cannot count.
Non-count noun is a noun you cannot count.
Water, milk, juice. And so on. These are non-count nouns. Water, milk, juice.
And so on. These are not. Okay, class. Okay, singular noun, plural noun.
Singular noun is one person, one place, or one thing.
Singular noun is one person, one place,
Or
one thing.
plural noun is more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing.
Plural noun is more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing. 수성적. Okay, class. I don't ban. How do you make a plural noun?
The word.
Here's the word. To make a plural noun. To make a plural noun. 알려줘봐.
S or yes.
주다.
Noun.
S
or yes to the noun.
One.
The noun is S, H, S, or O. Yes.
Okay, ready, go. Rule one.
Mango.
the street. When the blue tree, when the dancing tree, and or every drop of the tree, and it will be yes. Leave, leave, L-E-A-V, yes. Nine, nine. K-N-I-V, yes. You're still good. You're still good. Irregular letter. Now, I love ya. Okay, first teacher, and then Mia, you have to sit down here. In other words, some nouns. Mia, you have to listen. Some nouns do not end in S or ES. In the plural. These are called irregular plural nouns. One person, two people. One child, two children. One man, two men. One woman, two women. One mouse, one mice, two mice. One tooth, two teeth. One foot, two feet. Mia, try again. Ready, go. Some nouns do not end in S or ES in the plural. These are called irregular plural nouns.
One person, two people.
Ready, go.
One person, two people. One child, two children.
One child, two children.
One man, two men.
One man, two men.
One woman, two women.
One woman, two women.
One mouse, two mice.
One mouse, two mice.
One two teeth.
One foot, two feet.
One foot, two feet.
One foot, two feet. Okay, I love Daisy. Do you think? Ready, go. We use or on singular noun. For example, a pen on X. On X. Ready, go. A pen on X. Use. We use.